AAVE, with its quiet resilience, isn't just another altcoin. It's a project with deep roots, born from innovation and shaped by ambition. But in a crowded sea of coins promising the moon, can AAVE still stand out? That's the question that haunts every smart investor hovering over the buy button. AAVE, the decentralized finance protocol that once redefined lending and borrowing on the blockchain. But the real question is, will AAVE rise again to dominate the crypto world? Or is its golden era already over? This video is an insight-packed look at what lies ahead for AAVE, from 2025 to 2030, for those bold enough to consider it. Whether you're already holding on the fence or just crypto curious, this video will pull back the curtain on what really matters when it comes to AAVE's price forecast and investment potential. Not every DeFi project makes it past the hype stage. AAVE did. AAVE was built with a mission to decentralize lending and borrowing, cutting out the middlemen, the gatekeepers, and the delays. It started as Ethlend in 2017 and rebranded into AAVE, quickly rising to the top DeFi platforms on Ethereum. It pioneered flash loans. It introduced innovative liquidity mining strategies. And most importantly, it created a protocol where users could earn, borrow, and lend with flexibility and transparency. At its peak in 2021, AAVE's price hit around $666, with a market cap reaching several billions. It was the DeFi darling, but after that euphoric high came the crash. Like most of the market, AAVE lost over 80% of its value. Today, it's trading between $85 to $95. AAVE is down, but is it out? Or is this the perfect entry point for the next wave of wealth? That's where tension arises for investors. On one hand, AAVE has strong fundamentals, a well-audited code base, deep liquidity pools, a robust governance system, and a massive network of DeFi integrations. It's also expanding to Layer 2 scaling solutions like Optimism and Polygon. But here's the catch. Competition is brutal in the DeFi space. Projects like Compound, MakerDAO, and newer protocols are innovating fast. Regulatory uncertainty around DeFi protocols still looms. And most importantly, AAVE must consistently evolve to remain relevant in a rapidly shifting ecosystem. So yes, there's risk. But where there's calculated risk, there's also potentially explosive reward. What if you could enter AAVE before its next massive breakout? Let's talk numbers. Based on market cycles, technology adoption, total value locked growth, developer activity, and historical price trends, here's a realistic AAVE price prediction. After dissecting countless charts, analyzing market sentiment, and considering the fundamental strengths and challenges, a realistic AAVE price prediction for 2025-2030 emerges. By the end of 2025, with continued growth in the DeFi sector and AAVE maintaining its innovative edge, we could see AAVE comfortably trading within the range of $450 to $700, representing a potential 60% to 150% increase from its current levels. This optimistic projection hinges on the broader crypto market recovering, and AAVE successfully fending off competition with new features and integrations. Looking further out towards 2030, if AAVE continues to evolve, adapting to new market demands and navigating regulatory headwinds, the potential for a truly radical shift in wealth becomes apparent. By 2030, AAVE could realistically reach $1,500 to $2,500, signifying an astonishing 450% to 800% increase. This trajectory assumes significant adoption of decentralized financial services globally, with AAVE solidifying its position as a cornerstone of this new financial paradigm. Imagine the feeling of making one decision today that sets you on a path to becoming truly wealthy. If AAVE reclaims even half of its former all-time high momentum, investors today could be sitting on one of the most profitable DeFi entries of the decade. But what's the catch? The smart investor always asks, and rightly so. Let's break it down. Pros of investing in AAVE. 1. Real utility with lasting demand. AAVE isn't a speculative coin. It solves a real financial problem by enabling decentralized borrowing and lending without intermediaries. Millions in loans are transacted through AAVE's protocol. 2. Strong community and governance. AAVE token holders actively shape its future through decentralized proposals and voting, ensuring long-term sustainability. 3. Multi-chain growth. AAVE is no longer limited to Ethereum. It's already live on Polygon, Avalanche, and expanding into Layer 2s, boosting accessibility and lowering transaction costs. 4. Battle-tested resilience. AAVE has survived multiple crypto crashes and bear markets, proving its strength in turbulent environments. 5. Attractive staking rewards. Investors can earn passive income through staking and liquidity pools, increasing the token's utility and appeal. Cons of investing in AAVE. 1. Fierce DeFi competition. Newer protocols with aggressive incentives and novel features could attract users away from AAVE. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. As governments move to regulate DeFi, protocols like AAVE may face operational or legal constraints. 3. Token inflation concerns. Emissions for incentives and DAO development can dilute token value over time if not managed strategically. 4. Innovation speed risk. The DeFi space evolves fast. AAVE must consistently innovate to avoid stagnation and losing market dominance. So, should you invest in AAVE or walk away? Here's the resolution to our central conflict. If you're looking for overnight hype, AAVE may not be your rocket. But if you're looking for a long-term, wealthy positioning, DeFi blue-chip play, AAVE deserves your full attention. It's not about chasing trends. It's about buying into projects with purpose. And AAVE, despite its ups and downs, is still delivering value. The decision isn't easy, but sometimes one bold move is all it takes to rewrite your financial future. Still wondering if AAVE is your golden ticket? Ask yourself this. When the next DeFi wave hits, do you want to be watching from the sidelines or riding it from the front? Like this content? Hit that like button and smash the subscribe. Stay one step ahead of the market by tuning into weekly crypto insights, project breakdowns, and brutally honest forecasts. Your next winning trade might just be one video away. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.